guys, I got another cool find to share with you today. Check this out. A miniature lamp I picked up at Five Below. It was in the more than 5 section, priced at $7. It gives off a nice bright light, and the switch is tucked away in the back. The lamp detaches from the base and has 2 points of articulation, so you can pose it in all sorts of ways. Let's take a closer look. It totally reminds me of the iconic Pixar lamp. There's a warning sticker on it too. Just a heads up that the bright light can be harmful to your eyes if stared at directly. One neat feature, the base is magnetic. That opens up some fun display possibilities. I actually made a video a couple years ago about some mini desk lamps I found at Dollar Tree. It's been a long time since I've come across one like this, so it was a pretty exciting find. All in all, it's a great little find. Well, that's all I have for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. It really helps my channel out. Share it with a friend who loves quirky finds like this. And if you're not subscribed yet, please go ahead and click that like button so you don't miss out on future videos. You can also click on one of these videos, keep watching my content. All that stuff really helps my channel out, and I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.